we're in the car. This is the one I fixed, and it works great. Okay, let's put some air in the bags. It's gonna take a little time for the tank to fill up. All right. So once the tank fills up, I'll get back. And get ready to put it on. Okay. I got it started. As you can see, it's this black one of the gauge. This one right here. Okay. I raise it up. This is the one I just finished fixing. Now we're going to see if it goes down. When it was messed up, it went down real quick. Now look at it, it's nice and straight. See, there's no leaks, because then the pressure will start leaking down. You see, it's still in the same spot. A little closer. Same spot, still in the same spot. Might go down a little bit, you know, to relieve it. It relieves a little bit of pressure, just a little bit, but not much. I'm gonna leave it like that, and that's all to it. That's how you go by fixing your switches instead of trying to buy a new one. I mean, it's a little difficult. It's easy, but not easy. You have to have patience, because you know, you buy something used, it's been used. You know, what can you do? Either that or just buy a new one. Hey, if you have the cash to buy a brand new one, go ahead. I think this equipment is from Air Runner System, and from them it costs $55 plus tax plus shipping each switch. So I had 2 bad switches. That's a buck and change, you know what I mean, with shipping and taxes. You know, I'm a little budget guy, you know what I'm saying? So I try to fix. If I couldn't fix it, then yes, that would be my last draw, or my last draw, however you want to see it. But as you can see, still the same. Hasn't moved. Perfect, fixed. Just those little black bushings. Hopefully the 2 that I didn't fix doesn't happen the same way. And if it does, I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright, YouTube, I hope this would be helpful for you. If you guys come to this, usually people buy the control ones, the more updated. But like I said, I'm a little in the budget, so this was a good deal. What can I tell you? And it is what it is. So there you go, YouTube. Thanks for watching. I have more videos. I also have videos putting this airbag system together for this 97 Honda Accord. You don't see a lot of things for this Accord, this generation done. So this is why I'm doing it. Again, thank you very much. Almost done with the whole system. Just a little here and there. Right now, I'm messing around with the compressor. So it's in height, go on height, and it goes down, all bagged. Okay. Again, once I show you, I'll show how I installed it once I'm done with it and the whole thing. Right? It's a preview of it. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.